Make a quick demonstration on how to buy EGON in CryptoKara wallet. First, open your CryptoKara wallet, and now guys, make sure that your CryptoKara wallet has a BEP20 and BNB that is used to cover the gas fee in every transaction that you're going to do inside the wallet. So inside the wallet, guys, we have here 5 tabs: dApps, News, Wallet, and Dex and Settings. So go to Dex, just beside your wallet, and this is there where you are going to buy EGON. So to buy EGON, you simply on this tab, you simply choose the currency that you want to use to buy EGON. You can use BNB, you can use BUSD. Okay, in this demonstration, I'm going to use BUSD to purchase EGON. So tap BUSD on the first tab, and on the second tab, you tap EGON. You choose EGON. Okay, there you go. Wait for it, and then you see the available balance in your wallet is reflected here. So you type in much how much money you want to spend or to swap for EGON. Okay, say for example, I'm going to buy how much? $2 worth of EGON. So in $2, I'll get 67 EGON. Okay, next tap swap. Okay, and then confirm. And you need to be patient, guys. You need to have a good internet connection and be patient to wait for it. And the next step will be done. There you go, and you go back to the wallet and refresh your wallet. Okay, so be ready, guys. You see our CryptoKara wallet is still being improved by the devs. So sometimes there is a delay in the on the interface, but nonetheless, you see here there's a notification informing us that the transaction was successful. Okay, so let's check if I have already here an additional EGON. You see it is now reflected 380 EGON. I here in the transaction tab, although it's still pending here, but the transaction was already in. I got 67 EGON additional. So that is just how to do it. Thank you.